Welcome back to Carverse. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most aggressive and luxurious motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Known for tuning Mercedes-Benz vehicles to an entirely new level of performance and style, Brabus has now entered the motorhome world, and the result is nothing short of extraordinary. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling penthouse with the heart of a high-performance machine. On the exterior, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome commands immediate attention. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it's been completely reimagined with Brabus styling, a bold custom grille, LED headlight enhancements, carbon fiber accents, and a sport-tuned body kit make it look more like a luxury SUV than a traditional camper. Blacked-out elements, deep metallic paint options, and massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels complete the look. Add in a powered awning, LED underglow lighting, and a roof-mounted solar panel system, and this motorhome stands in a class of its own. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends high-tech innovation with opulent design. Brabus didn't hold back. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara Suede carbon fiber trim, and ambient LED lighting. The living space features a motorized lounge area with reclining captain chairs, a built-in 4K smart TV, and surround sound. The kitchen includes a ceramic cooktop, hidden microwave drawer, smart refrigerator, and a seamless sink design, all framed by backlit cabinets and marble-inspired countertops. Sleeping arrangements are equally luxurious. The rear section houses a convertible queen-size bed with memory foam, while the front seats swivel to expand the lounge space. A pop-up roof option adds a secondary sleeping area for guests or kids. The bathroom is full-sized by motorhome standards, with a rainfall shower, backlit mirror, and stylish sink vanity with gold-accented fixtures. Under the hood, the Brabus Motorhome features a tuned 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, pushing out an impressive 240 horsepower with a specially calibrated 9-speed automatic gearbox. Despite its size, it delivers surprising acceleration and refined handling. The air suspension system ensures a smooth floating ride even over long distances. It's packed with smart systems, from touchscreen, climate control to solar-charged, battery storage and off-grid power management. Safety is top tier too, with advanced driver assists like blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping, and emergency braking. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome starts at around $250,000 and can soar beyond $300,000 with bespoke options. It's built for those who want to travel without compromising on luxury, style, or performance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ultimate vehicle reviews every week.